Math Heuristics. Draw a table method. Let's look at an example. Riley saved $395 in 10 consecutive days. Each day, she saved $3 more than the previous day. How much money did she save on the first day? Let's draw a table to reflect the amount saved each day, in units. On day 1, she saved 1 unit of money. On day 2, she saved 1 unit of money plus $3. On day 3, she saved 1 unit of money, plus $3, plus another $3. And the pattern continues. How many $3 are there altogether, for the 10 days? One plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. You will realize that 1 plus 9 equals 10. 2 plus 8 equals 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. There are 4 tens in total, which makes 40. 40 plus 5 equals 45. There are 45 $3 altogether. 45 times $3 equals $135. $10 units plus $135 equals $395. 10 units equals $395 minus $135, which is $260. 1 unit equals $260 divided by 10, which is $26. Riley saved $26 on the first day. Thank you very much for watching our video. If you find this video useful, please help to like and share it. Do subscribe to our channel if you have not done so.